It might not seem like a big deal, but bedding can truly make or break the sleep experience. Not only can certain types of bedding help regulate your temperature while you sleep for a higher quality snooze, but they can also impact things like skin and hair care, especially if they're made from an absorbent fiber that sucks away hair moisture in those expensive skincare products stashed in your skincare fridge you slathered on before bed. If you're looking for the best pillowcase option, you'll have no problem finding it in a silk pillowcase. Trust us, it will change your life. There are numerous options for cheap Mulberry silk pillowcase, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable Mulberry silk pillowcase from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Overall Fisher's Finery Pure Mulberry Silk Pillowcase. The Fisher's Finery Mulberry Silk Pillowcase is our top pick for the best silk pillowcase overall, because it checks all of the boxes. Upon testing, the most noticeable feature is its temperature control. We started using this during a heat wave and never felt like we were sweating a ton or woke up in the middle of the night feeling sticky. In addition to keeping it cool, the pillow also received top scores for its skin and hair benefits. This, in part, is due to its texture, which is much softer and more breathable than other silk pillows we have tried for acne-prone complexion and wavy hair. Despite its construction of 100% mulberry silk, the silk pillowcase is also incredibly easy to care for. It comes with a laundry bag that allows you to machine wash it on low and, once air-dried, reportedly feels good as new, which isn't always the case with such a luxe material. Speaking of which, the silk pillowcase also received a high score for its value, thanks to said material, the approachable price, and performance. Number 2. Best Budget Kitsch Satin Pillowcase. For a more budget-friendly silk pillow option, we recommend the Kitsch Satin Pillowcase, which you can score on Amazon for less than $20. While it's not made from silk, the satin polyester material has a similar shiny surface that can reap similar benefits to a more luxe option. One of the biggest reasons to hit add to cart on this silky pillowcase is for the anti-frizz benefits. When sleeping with wet hair, we noticed a lot less frizz in the morning and more defined natural curls, the result of retaining more of the hydrating benefits of curly hair products we used. In addition to its hair benefits, its cooling effect and smooth texture of the pillowcase actually help soothe sunburnt skin after a day at the beach, making it a good choice to have on hand for summer months. Overall, we recommend this pillowcase if you're looking for a budget-friendly silk pillowcase alternative. However, it's worth noting that the material is a little on the thin side and doesn't have that same luxe feel as a pure silk option. Number 3. Best Value YANIBEST Silk Pillowcase. After testing dozens of silk pillowcases, the one with the best value is the YANIBEST Silk Pillowcase for hair and skin, which you can purchase via Amazon Prime. We rave about this silk pillow for its temperature control. It's so much cooler than more traditional cotton options that you'll want them to complement cooling sheets. We also loved how well it softens and smooths the hair with regular use. The silk pillowcase from Amazon was a close runner-up for the best machine washable category because of how easy and well it cleans. During testing, we got a drop of blood on this pillowcase from a new ear piercing and thought it would be impossible to get it out. We removed the pillowcase and used a paper towel and cold water to try and dab the stain out, and to our surprise, it came out super easy. Honestly, we could not tell you now where the stain was if we tried. With all of this considered, the most noteworthy feature is the material and price range, since it's pretty shocking how cheap it is for such a luxe material. At $29, you can't find a better value for a 100% mulberry silk pillow. In fact, several options on our list are made from the same material with much higher price points. Number 4. Best Mulberry Silk Slip Pure Silk Pillowcase. The Slip Pure Silk Pillowcase has a loyal following among beauty lovers, and for good reason. This luxe silk pillowcase is constructed from premium mulberry silk material that is soft and smooth to the touch, temperature regulating, and boasts some impressive skin benefits, especially for those with sensitive or breakout-prone skin. This pillowcase was tested on someone who has very sensitive skin and usually experiences breakouts at the bottom of their cheeks. Since switching to the slip pillowcase, those breakouts and bumps diminished greatly. In addition to relieving skin of blemishes, the silk pillowcase also helped manage naturally frizzy and easily tangled hair. After testing it out, we noticed smoother hair that was easier to brush through and, while it was still a little frizzy, it was noticeably much softer. Care-wise, the slip pillowcase requires some extra steps to clean and can't be thrown into the washer and dryer with regular bedding. Instead, it needs to be washed on the delicate setting with cold water and then air-dried. Upon washing, we noted that while it still looked good, it was prone to wrinkles. Number 5. Best for Wrinkles Celestial Silk Mulberry Silk Pillowcase. Silk pillows are also a good addition to your regimen of anti-aging products. For this category, the Celestial Silk 100% Silk Mulberry Pillowcase is our top pick because of how well it lives up to this expectation. In fact, our wrinkles have improved since we started using this pillowcase. We also note that, with regular use, we even noticed a difference in skin texture overall. Since it's constructed from a luxe mulberry silk material, the fabric is also super soft and smooth, which can also help combat sleep creases. In addition to its anti-aging perks, this pillowcase can also keep your hairstyle intact. If you often curl your hair before going to sleep, and upon waking up are met with flattened waves, this pillowcase may be great for you. It helps keep your hair stay styled all night, while preventing strands from flattening out and undoing the work of your texturizing spray. With that said, this pillowcase might not be the best option for those who run hot. While many silk pillowcases can keep you cool, this one isn't as cooling. It actually made us sweat when we used it. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.